There is a great disturbance in the Force.
Yes. And now I sense you wish to continue your search for young Skywalker. Patience, my friend. Only together can we turn him to the dark side of the Force.
This is Upsilon-class shuttle pursuer, delivering Captain Phasma and troops from the finalizer. Landing in quadrant 05041313. Prepare to depart. Cutting high on sublight engines. Retracting upper stabilizer. Disarming deflector shield generators.
Threat to the First Order in this area. We're moving out. Now.
Yes, Captain.
Advance. Patrol unit. Status report.
Right behind you, sir. Nothing to report, Captain. The Resistance fighters will be found.
Very good. Don't disappoint me again.
Understood. Move, let's go!
Troops, form in. I'm here under the authority of General Hux. You are here under the authority of me. All right. Here's how this works. I talk, you listen. If you might consider supporting the Resistance, I have some advice. Don't. Show me fearless. We do not tolerate traitors, nor those who hide them. Battle stance. will not be easy to crush the resistance, but it will be satisfying.
Upsilon-class shuttle pursuer to Captain Phasma. Orders from General Hux. Return to base immediately.
Attention. Patrol unit, return to base. Move! In mind if you try to play both sides.